Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo. Hope everyone had a great week and is doing well. You're right in the middle of the semester, so I know you have a lot going on. Everyone's busy with different obligations. So let's just jump into it. This week we're on Lesson 6, Individual and Organizational Hiring Considerations and Fit. So we're going to be talking about recruitment this week. So first off, I'll start off with some Did You Know trivia. Then we'll do a wrap-up of Lesson 5 in the case study. We'll talk about the objectives for Lesson 6, the assignments that are due, the HOA meetings this week, and one final thought. Did you know that according to Amazon, the most highlighted books on Kindle are the Bible, the Steve Jobs biography, and the Hunger Games? I did not know that. All right, so wrap up Lesson 5 about power office politics and a career in trouble. What are some takeaways and lessons learned? I think first of all, you are ultimately responsible for your career. Yes, there are things out of control, but those things that are in control, think about your circle of influence from the 7 Habits book. That concept will really help you out in your career and in many other endeavors as you look at what you can control and what you can't. Seek out the advice and counsel of trusted mentors and coaches. Obviously, Thomas Green, as well as his boss, Frank Davis, could have benefited from just some help, some coaching, some mentoring into how to handle these difficult situations. The best leaders are the best learners. Related to this previous point is always learning and always trying to learn something new or how to handle a situation, a particular situation differently. And finally, the concept of humility. We talked about this in the HOA groups that I visited this week. Could Thomas Green have benefited from some humility in realizing he didn't have all the answers, and that although he did some things well, there's still some things that he needed to learn. All right, Lesson 6 objectives. We're going to be talking about kind of the hiring recruitment process and things to consider, as well as looking at the fit in an organization. We'll be looking at hiring choices and consideration to take in when you're hiring. Examine the individual fit in the organization. And we'll be talking about managing talent, hiring dynamics, interviewing, as well as a host of other items in this important process. Now, those assignments that are due for Lesson 6, so due Tuesday, you have a case write-up due this week from the case Recruitment of a Star. Complete your readings, excuse me, in the 7 Habits books, page 247 to 296. Due Monday, obviously before then, I'll hold your HOA meetings. Complete your reading discussions on the reading discussion board, and again, the sooner you post, the better. I do make comments, but I tend to do them earlier in the week, so if you post later, you may not be seen by myself or others. And don't forget to complete your self-assessment. As well as this week, there will be a mid-course feedback. So I look forward to your feedback. Please be nice. Just kidding. Let us know what's going well and what we could improve in this course. Okay, thank you. As far as HOA group meetings this week, I'll be meeting live with groups 7 and 8. So please let me know. Confirm your time and send me the video link. If you're a team leader, make sure you get the case agenda and send out the link. Post it on the activities discussion board, and make sure you record your meeting. And take advantage of the meeting time. Try to connect what we're learning so far in the class to this week's case. One final thought, one of my favorite thoughts, by Thomas Paine. That which we obtain too easily, we esteem too lightly. I really like this thought. Sometimes those things that come too easy to us, maybe we don't appreciate as much as we could. And so relates to the law of the harvest and putting in the work. Anyways, everyone, have a great week. I'll see you online, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.